And I don't go to that dirt track racing that much because when I start hearing them engines, it starts giving you a fever. And whenever you ain't got the financial backing to do it, it's just, it could be a bad thing.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, if we could get somebody to make a perfume that smelled like racing fuel, divorces would go down 80%.
Oh yeah.
Well, I don't know what I used to run methanol in my race cars, and then there's a little additive you put in, and it smells like cherry. So you put that in your methanol, and it's to help lube you, because methanol dries your internals out. So it's to help lube the internals, but it's scented. So yeah, whenever I smell that, I get so nice.
I'm telling you, see what I'm saying? I'm just thinking, outside the box. I like to think outside the box sometimes, but